back to the Magic Filter. It's 6 a.m. and we have started our journey to the most famous destination, Goa. And today we are going to explore the southern part of Goa. And before that, I would like to introduce you to two people who will be traveling with us. Nikhil, my brother, and that's Scuba. So we took the unmoored route from Belgaum to reach South Goa, and the roads were pretty decent. We are going to travel for around 150 kilometers from Belgaum to Goa, and today the first stop is going to be Kola Beach. We're going to go kayaking, and it's also going to be Scuba's first swim ever. I'm really excited for that, and it's our third anniversary. Hoping to have a lot of fun today. Stay tuned.
So what time did you sleep last night? They say you had a good 4-5 hours of sleep.
Yeah, I sleep.
We slept at 2 o'clock and got up at 4:30. After a quick refreshment break, we are off to Goa.
It's going to take another 2.5 hours to reach our destination.
Scuba just had his breakfast, so we're hoping he'll sleep for a while.
Yes. The route to South Goa is scenic. So another 25 kilometers to reach the Kola beach, and Scuba looked really uncomfortable as he was breathing very heavily. So we decided to give him some water and meanwhile stretch a little bit. After we take a right turn from the main road, the road leading up to the parking lot is really bumpy. If you are planning a trip to South Goa, you are in for some breathtaking views and a perfect peaceful escape. But the network coverage can be pretty spotty in many areas. So if you are relying on Google Maps, make sure to download offline maps.
Finally here at the Kola beach, and this is the parking area. This is where the cars are parked, and we'll have to hike down a little bit to the beach. This is the top view of the beach. We're really excited to see how Scuba reacts. So let's go. So Nikhil, is this your first time coming to Kola Beach?
Yes.
Are you excited to do kayaking?
Yes.
Have you done kayaking before?
No, not yet.
Yeah.
My first time.
It's my first time too. And it's gonna be Scuba's first time too. I hope they let Scuba do the kayaking. Do you think they'll let him do it?
I don't think they'll let him do it, but let's see.
Yeah, fingers crossed. Just take your time and be careful on the way down. These steps are the final stretch of the journey before Scuba can finally see the beach for the first time. We are currently at the Kola beach, and we're here to do kayaking. I hope they let Scuba do the kayaking with us, but this is what it looks like. Kola Beach is one of the most peaceful, untouched beaches you'll find in Goa. No crowds, no loud music, just pristine water, golden sand, and truly tranquil vibe. Surrounded by dense forest and a calm river that meets the sea, Kola Beach is as much about the journey as it is about the destination. There's Scuba enjoying a quick meet and greet with some pretty girls.
best time to visit the beach is between 9 am to 11 am when there is no crowd and we can have the beach pretty much for ourselves. So we took one single boat for Nikhil which costed us 400 rupees for half an hour, and a double boat for me, Devyani and Scuba which costed us 600 rupees for half an hour. We have Captain Scuba reporting on duty. And then the captain decides to jump.
Luckily, the water was shallow and we could put Scuba back on the boat. Our boat was about to sink because there was so much water in the boat already, and we were trying so hard to get back to the shore, but then all we needed was a little shake from Scuba on our Titanic and the boat flipped. And now we have our cute captain safely leading us back to the shore.
After an awesome kayaking session, we are swimming with Scuba in the fresh water. It's his very first swim class, and I must say he did really well for a beginner. Honestly, I'm impressed. This is exactly why we brought Scuba on an adventure. Look at him being a pro. Scuba is not just family, he is part of the team. If you're thinking of getting your dog into swimming or just taking them out on some fun adventures, just remember to keep them calm and also make sure they feel safe. So finally we got done with the kayaking. Now we are at the shack at Kola Beach. We are going to spend the rest of the afternoon here. This is a beautiful shack. I think you should come here. Later we are going to go to the ButterFly beach and then head back home. Not possible. Okay, come.
So if you're planning to visit Kola Beach, just remember you get an awesome beach experience followed by a little leg workout on the way back up. But it's all a part of the adventure.
We are leaving from Kola Beach and we are heading to ButterFly Beach to catch the sunset, and I really hope we make it on time.
Butterfly Beach, and we have to go down by a jeep, which costs about 250 rupees per person. And then we'll have to walk for another 300 meters and then we reach the beach. The distance between the two beaches is about 9 kilometers and takes about half an hour to get there. Another way to get to the Butterfly Beach is by boat. It's an exciting ride across the coastline with some beautiful views of the surrounding cliffs and beaches. Butterfly Beach is tucked away in a secluded part of South Goa, and it's not the easiest to get here, but that's exactly what makes it so special. You won't find huge crowds here, just clear blue waters surrounded by cliffs and dense forest. The beach feels like a secret oasis. The best time to visit the beach is early in the morning when there are less crowds. But the beauty of the Butterfly Beach is not a secret anymore, so expect a little bit of crowd at all times.
Happy third anniversary to us. We are currently at Butterfly Beach and look around, it's so beautiful. We couldn't catch the sunset, but we always have this view to come here for. We had to hike here for like 15 minutes and it was an easy hike. The last jeep back to the parking is at 6:45 and we'll have to leave now. We couldn't really enjoy this beach, but yes, we'll come back here soon. We couldn't catch the sunset, but look, the sky is so beautiful. Thanks for joining us on this adventure to Kola Beach and the Butterfly Beach. They truly are Goa's hidden gems, and I hope you get a chance to visit these stunning spots. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel content. See you in the next one.